Hello, my name is DuckDuck, and today I will show you how you can assign drop-down lists to the certain cells in your spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc. There are two options here. Let's start with option number 1. If you want to assign a list to a cell or range of cells in your spreadsheet, you first need to select the range and then go to Menu, Data, Validity. You can currently see that on the Criteria tab, all values are allowed for my cells. You can make it to be only whole numbers, decimals, date, time, or even text of certain length. But now we will select option List here. Ensure that Show Selection List checkbox is ticked, and on the lower part of the screen you can put your entries for the list. For example, red, blue, green. Go to the Error Alert tab, and you can say that when the value is incorrect, you can show user stop message, warning, or just information. Let's make it stop and say error, and select from the list. Click OK. And now cells in your range have a drop-down list where user can select a value. If user puts something else in the cell, then a message appears exactly as we entered it in the configuration window. This is option number 1. The second option requires some preparation, but is actually more flexible because of that. Let's start with putting values for the drop-down list. January, February, and then use autopopulation to make it whole year. Now select list of range of cells where you want this list to appear, for example like this, and again go to Menu, Data, Validity, and this time we will select Cell Range option from the list. Again, ensure that Show Selection List is ticked, and on the source you can enter the cells where your values exist. On the Error Alert, again say error, your choice is incorrect. OK, and as you can see, the list appears for the user. If anything else is entered, then an error appears exactly as it was configured. Why is it flexible? Because if your list is changing, for example, instead of a month you want to see a year here, you only need to replace values in your list with new values, and after that your drop-down list appears as it is per new list. Even if the value existed before, you can make it to be for the new list again. This is how you can make your cells in the spreadsheet to have drop-down lists in LibreOffice Calc. Thank you. Bye.